Every day, I get to make a difference by working towards enhancing how life-saving vaccines are made and by being a visible advocate for the LGBTQ+ community at Sanofi. My name is Kirsten, and I'm a manufacturing change leader in Swiftwater, Pennsylvania. I help an amazing group of people on our cross-functional teams to standardize our ways of working and optimize the efficiency of our manufacturing site. My work helps ensure that essential vaccines are effectively produced and reach those in need. As a bisexual woman in manufacturing, I am grateful to have the ability to bring my whole self to work without fear of judgment. Being seen and celebrated for my work ethic and enthusiasm has made working at Sanofi a uniquely satisfying experience. With a husband and kids, it would have been easy to fly under the radar. My choice to be vocal about my identity was to set an example for my children. I want to provide them with a safe space to grow and discover who they are. Recently, I became the site lead for the PrideConnect employee resource group here in Swiftwater, where I work hard to make sure everyone, no matter their identity, ethnicity, or gender, also feel that they have the same ability to be true to themselves. By telling my story, I am hoping to shape a future where diversity is celebrated, where inclusion is second nature, and where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Happy Pride!